Well, My AI is a new thing that Snapchat has just put out, so if you want to go ahead and basically remove it, you can. If you don't even have it, basically it's within Snapchat Plus. But if you don't want it anymore, what you can always do if you don't know, you can always swipe to the side of your specific Snapchat application like this. So once you get out of a story, you'll basically see it on the side right here. And what you can do is you can basically just hold down on that notification and you can just kind of remove that specific chat. And that should end up clearing it out. You can also click on like the X button next to it and you should be able to clear out that specific My AI portion. But if that doesn't work for you, you can always go through. You can always click on your profile icon up at the top left. And then what you can do here is you can scroll over into your settings, which is in the top right. So click on your settings right there. You can click on clear data and you can clear a lot of things here. And now in the future, there may be a little option that says like clear my AI chat or something like that. So you can always click that. I hope you do that, but under Clear Conversations, what you can do is you can go and click on Clear Conversations, and it's pretty much going to show you everyone who's basically messaged you on Snapchat. So you can see there's a bunch of people who's messaged me on Snapchat right now. So what you can do is you can go and click on and delete the message that you don't want anymore. So if you don't want the My AI, you can go and click on Clear My AI Data. And you can go and clear that conversation out, and I think that should end up removing it from the side panel, and they may go ahead and message you a little bit further. But if you want, you can always clear it out again. But that's basically how you do it. It's pretty basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, that'll be so much. But definitely hit that subscribe button, and more importantly, everything else, I love you. Every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out then.